Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. This is Mumunahar, IV, lecturer Department of ICT for Milestone College. My dear students, we are facing a global crisis for COVID-19 virus. So, you are staying at the home due to the coronavirus crisis. I know all of you are a little bit worried about our present situation. I must say, don't worry my child. Everything will be fine. Just keep faith on Allah. Today I am going to discuss about C program to determine the product of the series 5 into 10 into 15 into 50 using do while and while loop. In this tutorial, you will learn to create do while and while loop in C programming. Now let's see what is while loop. While loop. While loop is the most basic loop in C programming. While loop has one control condition and executes as long the condition is true. Now while loop evaluate test expression inside the parenthesis. If the test expression is true, statement inside the body of the while loop are executed. Then the text expression is evaluated again. The process goes until the test expression is evaluated to false. If the text expression is false, the loop terminates. Do while loop. What is do while loop? Do while loop in C programming checks its condition at the bottom of the do while loop is similar to the while loop. With an important difference, the body of do while loop is executed at least once. Only then the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is true, the body of the loop is executed again and the text expression is evaluated. The process goes on until the test expression becomes false. If the text expression is false, the loop ends. Let's see a while loop program. Include studio.h hash include studio.h. This is header file, standard input output. Include hash include caneo.h. This is consoler. Main program. Curly braces. Int multi equals to 1. I equals to 5. I is initial value 5. I equals to 5. This is initial value. This is while condition. I get equal 50. This is while condition. And this is processing unit. Multi equals to multi into I. Multi into I. That means I initial value. And I equals to I plus 5. This 5 is difference 5 to 10. Difference 5. 5. I equals to I plus 5. This is output unit. Printf %d multi gets ch and finish the program while loop program. Next we see do while loop program. Do while loop 5 into 10 into 15 into 50 using do while loop program. In this program, hash include studio.h standard input output, include caneo.h main function, int multi equals to 1, I equals to 5. Here 5 is initial value and this is do while condition. Do multi equals to multi into I, initial value I I equals to I plus 5. This 5 is difference between 5 into 10. The difference 5. While I equal greater equals to 50. This is while condition, and this is output printed %d multi get ch, and this is and end of the do while end of the series program using do while loop. For your convenience, I have now put together two programs. This is the main difference while loop and do while loop program. There is no semicolon. There is no semicolon in of while statement. But to do while loop, there is semicolon at the end of while loop statement. I hope you all understand the program. So no more today. This is for you homework. See program to determine the summation of the series 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus dot dot plus n using while loop. Thank you to all.